Simple paneer masala recipe without cashews and butter. Ingredients: 200 grams paneer cube, 2 large tomatoes, 1 large onion, 1/2 inch ginger and garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds and mustard seeds. Dry masala powders: 1 teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon red chili powder, adjust to taste, 1 teaspoon garam masala and salt as per taste, 2 tablespoons oil. Cooking process: heat oil in a pan, add cumin seeds and let them splutter. Add chopped onions and saute until golden brown. Add ginger and garlic and stir for a minute until the raw smell disappears. Add tomatoes. Once tomatoes and onions are cooked, grind it into a smooth paste. Take the same pan and add mustard seeds and cumin seeds. Add grind paste, turmeric powder, coriander powder, red chili powder, and salt. Cook until the oil separates. Add paneer cubes and garam masala. Mix gently to coat the paneer with the masala. Cook for an additional 5 to 7 minutes until the paneer is cooked along with the masala. Serve the paneer masala with roti or rice. Enjoy your cashew and butter free paneer masala. If you like this recipe, please like, share and subscribe to Sharvij channel. Thanks for watching.